We just arrived Vienna so we arrived at around 1:20. So there's something quite very vibrant, no? Very unique from the cities and areas that we visited so far. Vienna is the most cosmopolitan or metropolitan. Okay, kasi of course Balkans yun saka Eastern European. So this one center yung Vienna Station. You have a lot of, these are the schedule. Tingnan natin yung mga schedule. Miss nga talaga. If you're here, so taxi is there, going there, taxi. This is the main area. Ganda. Masyado nakakalula naman to, no? Tingnan mo. Schedule ng mga trains. So this is Vienna Train Station, center. Daming mga. So we're papapasok namin kanina yung WC, that's toilet nila. Ang tawag. We're going to take a taxi, Pwede rin pala doon, the area. Okay. Very massive. You buy tickets there. What is this area? Itong area. What is that? Masyadong massive, no? So massive yung place. Okay, we'll go back to them muna. So taxi is going there. No? What is the any location doon in the area? There's somebody in location. Okay. This is information. Ticket sales. Dito kami galing Budapest, Wien, and ticket area. Kuha tayo ng picture dito. This side.